Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to request special assistance on Condor. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Condor account, which of course I've done right here. Now, how do you create an account on Condor? Launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar at the top corner of your screen. So in the search bar, type condor.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Condor. At the top right corner of the website, you're going to see the My Condor tab. Click on that and follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this window where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Condor. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to request special assistance on Condor. So over here at the top corner of your screen, you're going to find these tabs. So these tabs include book and plan, flight preparation. It includes fly and enjoy, get inspired, my booking, and careers. So go ahead and click on fly and enjoy. Once you click on fly and enjoy, you're going to find all of these categories. So from this category, head over to the special assistance tab, and here you have assistance for our customers, travel with children, unaccompanied minors, head flying. So go ahead and click on any of the special assistance that you want. So let's say assistance for our customers. So I'm just going to click on that. So how can we help you make your journey more comfortable? So when you fly with us, we want you to be comfortable as possible. So over here, you have at the airport and on board, your mobility aids, assistance dogs, medical conditions and injuries, special equipment, book and request assistance. So any of them, so let's say book and request assistance. I'm just going to click on that. So you can just click on any of those options and follow through with the prompt. So book your wheelchair assistance online via Manage My Booking. So to click on Manage My Booking, then you'll be able to book your wheelchair assistance. And for any other special assistant, write us by using our online form or call us using this format. Okay, so have you booked a flight only or a package holiday? So you can just choose if it's flight only or a package holiday. That's if you want to write them, if you want to write a form. So is a Condor flight from this? So select if it is from United States of America. So you have this passenger information, fill out the passenger information, and we have a traveling companion. Select that. Then special assistance at the airport on board. I can follow the instructions from the crew. If you can't, then you can click on I can't follow. Then will you require assistance at the airport? Fill that out, select yes or no. Will you be traveling to wheelchair or mobility device? Select any of this. Will you be taking any medical equipment? Select yes or no. Will you require excess medical baggage? Click on that, yes or no. Will you be traveling with any assistance dog? Select that. Then medical clearance. Need medical assistance? Read this. Check it. Will you need additional oxygen during your flight? Select that. Then you have the booking information. Fill out all of these. Ensure that they are correct. After filling this out, check the statement of data privacy. Once that's done, click on yes. I have read and understood the above statement and agree to the processing of personal data as set out above. Click on this checkbox that says I am not a robot and click on submit form. Once that's done, that's it. That's how we can request special assistance on Condor. So you really have to fill out this form, or you can just call them using this number. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.